In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up and use Character AI to chat with AI-powered characters. Let's dive in. Step 1 is to sign up and log in. Open your browser and go to the www.character.ai. Sign up and using your email and log into the account. Step 2. Explore and chat with AI characters. On the homepage, browse featured characters, search for a specific one. Click on character and start chatting instantly. Just simply type your message into the chat box and hit enter to interact. 3 is to create your own AI character. Just simply click create on the sidebar and select create a character. Just simply edit the name, description, and personality traits for your AI. And then add avatar or custom trading data to personalize it further. After that, click on create to finish it. Step 4 is to join and create a room group chat. Click create and select a create room, which is name the room and multiple AI characters, and then start a group chat for a moment interactive experience. Step 5 is to customize your experience. Just simply adjust the settings like message display style, response length and tone, and AI personality tweaks. And that's it. You're now ready to chat, create, and explore AI-powered conversations. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.